You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 22,828,626,095. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 9 plus 0 equals 9. 9 plus 6 plus 5 equals 20. Carry 2 to the thousands place. 2 plus 9 plus 9 plus 6 equals 26. Carry 2 to the 10,000s place. 2 plus 9 plus 9 equals 22. Carry 2 to the 100,000s place. 2 plus 3 plus 9 equals 16. Carry 1 to the millions place. 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 0 equals 18. Carry 1 to the 10 millions place. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 equals 12. Carry 1 to the 100 millions place. 1 plus 3 plus 4 equals 8. 2 plus 0 equals 2. Write 2 in the 10 billions place. And so the final result is 22,828,626,095.